hanba serial da finance da thangjabani finance ki sir ngan budget tasu khanabadi fajana khara khana khare adubu aina tentakna point khara thangjage ai kan motion si aina thangjari bi sir finance ki awa basi loina di akhoi ure aduga fund mayam development ki kai mayam to da su ure adagi kai thok ta su ure sir agi point the laksabada failure of the finance department to secure grants in aid under the award of the Finance Commission of India, that is the 15th Finance Commission, which is set to end on 31st March 2026 sir. Sir hujiki matang sida finance department amadi government sina tongan ba akhoi 15th Finance Commission ki si clear oiba picture ma khaktang ngasi khangba pami maramdi sir masigi Finance Commission award sida Manipur ki oina 1000 samuk phangadaba sida particularly local body sing haibetare ADC autonomous district council sing area gi amadi urban local bodies small town nagar panchayat municipality council municipal councils and Impal municipal corporation mayam singsi urban local body singi then PRI panchayati raj institution gram panchayat singi phangadabasi masi phangdadana adum leiba development tawgadaba tongan ba tied in the untied funds tongan ba local hoigi body sing na pahet kadaba development gi hoigi lambi thongi agriculture related environment related mayam singsi singi adagi urban gi panchayat ki area da pahit kadabni sir so far as I know sir 629 crore si akhoi gi finance ki awab leiringai tolo phokpi ba ngamdabagi awab leiringai irangi mayok nadana awab leiringai displaced people singi pasapi na naba awab leiringai marak sida 15th Finance Commission gi akhoi da grant in aid oina free da state share su legidaba nataba hangedaba su leitraba akhoi gi phangpham thokpa constitutional mandatory oiba pasasi masi mangki gadore aduna masigi yam khraba local body singna development tawgadaba program mayam singsi manghan gadore aduna masi government na kari masi phangdanaba then masi nanthok kidanaba miss tawgidanaba si kari paikhat piri loinana masi aseng badadi akhoi gi panchayat ki or local body sing election tawdabadagi pidabani adu masi election tawrakanda piba haibasi mandatory oibanina masi pidabani haibasi masu leiragasu atopa measures haibadi pasasi phanghondanaba lemna phangadaba development gi mayam mama si lemna phangadaba oibanina government gi akaknaba kari policy lei pasasi mang kidanaba April ki tang 1 dagi di 16 Finance Commission hogadore aduna maram werkanda clear picture ama finance department sina government na masigi pasasi manggadra mangoidra haibasi matam kitang aire 31st March ki se aduna masigi asengba clear picture ama pasasi mangdana na ba miyam gi development tawna na basigi pamjai sir masigi loinana sir akhoi gi finance ki aroi bada tongan ba handaki budget estimate sida laibasi 27000 crore ni liability punamak se punjhalakanda akhoi gi sigi projected budget pass to ki basi sida lairi basi aduna masigi 27000 crore is almost to be akhoi gi handaki pass to ki budget to gi hinsab amagum bani sir sugumba free da lakadaba development ki paisa se mangan bai basi akhoi gi government gi asoiba adagi administration si fajana masi tahotabadagi tawbuni haibasi miyamna parjana adagi leiriba MLA sing honorable minister sarkar asida sauningba amasung sarkar gi parja gi mangjabasi lakani aduna masugumba finance ki awaba lengai sida masi mangdana basi ministry da fazana tana biraga min sama tawraga lobina ba tawbiyu haibasi ma arobada thamjari ani shubada sir agriculture.
Speaker, I can request you again. Thank you. Can we honorable member Tambirisi? Why she local body has a RD Mamanga is Pizer me, Sigi, both Panside and municipal Animaki, who is said like the way our city, the Maduda, Technology by Pajana Kangja, we had to give Sagi. Madugi inconvenience में हम दुनी कोई honorable द तक भी दिसे हंदक इना कोई दीदी द टीम में से सब दुरा in particular सिगी local body की पैसा है जब बताए कोई की 646 crore कोई की 2020 23 24 and 25 26 की मसी खर मतेंग पांग भी उमरम दी local body की election से कोई कोई की थोड़ी बा crisis सी Sisu Maramabani and Harakanda Siki crisis period Simati release of you on a Kana Hizabani. So Adugi accordingly Hizabatai 25.60 crores Amadi with local urban bodies gi Tadu Pire Luga why Hirami Papasha Loina Makti Pirakani Piro Hibati Latry but Hoyadum Yariga Yam the Piranava pursuit of Zidi to Kumzage. Aduna, kuigi honorable na sida tambiriba start question na siya. Kat niko kat simon sensi handog bidra pass to the mating bang biyo na request of the
loishan bagi da lab ni supplement samta to sir sir huziki adugi paisa si yam bani na khara amount khara release to kani haibasi mamangi sir pending da 2021-22 gi swai sida non millions plus cities haibagi tight grant da khara thadokpagi aina finance department digi CM khakti phange basa aduga hujiki actually hairiba sigi non millions plus cities haibasigi sigi sinatabadadi aduna aina clear exact clarification ama pamje hari sir masigi paisa si huge amount oibanina hoi cabinet decision number lobi gadra sarna aduga tawbirakan the ministry da fasana masiji paisa phanghodragadi haibagi wani sir madugi awabaduni sir yar sa phona biragadi am phais thank
you. Demand number